Welcome back. Today, we're talking about Toshi Coin and its potential for the future. If you hold 1,000 Toshi or are thinking about investing, this is a must-watch. We'll cover the latest updates, price trends, and our 2025 price prediction. Toshi Coin has been gaining attention in the crypto market, and its recent performance has caught the eye of many investors. The coin has shown strong volatility, with price movements reflecting growing interest and market speculation. Its community is expanding, and listings on more exchanges could boost its liquidity and adoption. Looking ahead, Toshi Coin's price will depend on key factors like adoption, market trends, and overall sentiment in the crypto space. Based on our analysis, we predict that by 2025, Toshi could reach significant price levels if the current momentum continues. Short-term projections suggest steady growth, while long-term potential depends on broader adoption and market conditions. However, like any cryptocurrency, Toshi Coin comes with risks. Market volatility, competition, and regulatory changes can all impact its price. It's important to stay updated and make informed decisions. If you found this update useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto insights. See you in the next video.